Bird brand model GH-60 is handheld, portable vector signal generator covering frequency range from 300 kHz to 6 GHz, which perfectly combines high portability and controllability. With excellent engineering design, it has the volume and weight for single-hand operation. The excellent RF performance and rich signal generation functionality are applicable to integration, R&D, and manufacture in different communication fields. GH-60 can meet most of the signal simulation requirements and provide customized modulated signal services. It's based on Android OS, which enables users to operate it easily like an mobile phone. The different modulation options are pulse modulation, frequency modulation, analog modulation. Digital modulation covers ASK, PSK, FSK, MSK, and QAM. GH-60 can also provide the modulation options for telecommunication standards covering 2G, 3G, 4G LTE, and 5G NR.